Welcome to English class. In today's video, we will study collective noun and the use of collective nouns in the sentences. A collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. Here are some examples of collective nouns: a team of players, a flock of birds, a cluster of stars, etc. How to use collective noun in the sentences. This is the most interesting part of collective nouns. Even though collective noun may consist of multiple individuals, the collective noun itself is usually treated as singular. Here are some examples. Number 1. The class is working on a group project. Number 2. A flock of birds flies over the lake. Number 3. The family is planning a vacation together. Here are some more examples of collective nouns that you can write in your notebook. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.